FH Group has your entire vehicle covered with our made-to-order seat covers, custom fit for your Toyota Sienna 7-passenger minivan. Made with soft and stretchy neoprene fabric, these custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design makes installation easy and allows for the use of all your vehicle's seat controls. The front bucket seats offer special stitching for airbag deployment, and the rear covers are designed to accommodate the split bench seats. Offered in a variety of colors, these rugged covers are long-lasting and impeccably constructed with thick foam padding for extra comfort. Protect the interior and full value of your Toyota Sienna with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.